Hey guys, well, figured I'd try out the new camcorder. I shouldn't even say it's new, but it's high def rather than using the phone. So down at the rental house here, and I got a little problem. Well, you see, I got no heat. And luckily it's nice and warm here today. It's like 62 or something. And so that's not too bad, but let me zoom in here. I'll show you what I've got going on. Right back here is a flame sensor. And what the flame sensor does is, let me get some light in there so you guys can see a little bit better. There we go. Okay, turn that back on. There we go. See that flame sensor right there? Basically what it does is, try to get some light in here so you guys can see. When the furnace kicks on, basically the flame sensor says to the whole computer of the furnace, yes, there is heat. Yes, you can keep running. Well, mine isn't doing that. It's not acknowledging that there's heat there. So what happens is it can either get crudded up, which mine has just a little deposit on it, but they can also just fail. This is actually the old style design. I'll show you guys the new style design in a couple minutes here. But well, that went, and it hasn't been real cold here, but at the same time, I had to order the part. So that part cost me $5, free shipping. And I think I ordered it on a Friday and I got it on Monday, so I wasn't going to complain about that. Or Thursday I ordered it and got it on Friday, whatever. So I said, well, I'll just leave the furnace go, just in case it gets cold. It can still, even though it's kicking on, kicking off, the heat, and it's doing that maybe every 30 seconds or so, it'll still keep the pipes from freezing, Well, what ended up happening then was that empty spot right there and that plug that you guys can kind of see right there in front of me, the big white one, well, that was the igniter. The igniter took a crap. Basically, what ended up happening was it was running for so long on and off that, see right there? It cracked. So, had to go out and get a new one. New one, you guys can see that, is $62. It was like $67 or $68 with tax. So, yeah, so that was a life lesson. When the furnace is acting up, just shut it down and cut your losses there. So, the house is being sold, so I'm not going to make a service call, and I'm definitely not going to rush around to try to get things done. So it's, it is what it is. So it's, what was I going to say now? Yeah, we're closing end of January. It's like 65 degrees outside. It's the 3rd or 4th of December, which is just crazy. So, I figured that I'd go ahead and do these replacements. So, but let me take you over here to my temporary workbench. I don't really know if I can set you guys up anywhere. I mean, look, my tools are pretty sparse here. Maybe we can go take a walk out to the truck and see what there is. Say hi, Emma. Say hi. She's all excited. She doesn't get to come down here too often, but let me give you a walk around here real quick. Show you the living room. Here's the living room. I built this, used to be for a 110-gallon aquarium, and I converted it into a entertainment area. Close it in, put an entertainment area in there. And then also did the same for underneath. Used to be where all the pumping equipment was and everything like that. But there's a closet up there, front door, obviously front window, carpeting, kitchen. Built all the kitchen myself. When I used to be a woodwork teacher, that was a project I did. Showed the kids how to build kitchen cabinets. So that was my father's idea. Put a nice glass window in. But lots and lots of storage here. So, and then there's a deck out there. A little deck that goes onto the garage, driveway, and everything. Got a nice little bathroom. And then you got a small little bedroom there. And then a larger bedroom up here. Closet in both, obviously. But, yeah, so she sold. So that's a nice thing. But it's absolutely beautiful out here today. I should show you in the basement. I've actually got an egress window, emergency exit. So I think it's even warmer out now. I think geez, I don't even know what it is, but it's warm. So stay down. Oh, of course you're gonna jump in. All right, so let's see here. What kind of tools do I have here? I don't have a very good selection. Wish I had a pair of vice grips. I don't have my vice grips, and I don't have my mag mount. I guess something like this will have to do. Oh, you know what I could do? Haha! I can put you in a level. As silly as that sounds. So, ouch. But yeah, here's my 2-car garage, 2.5-car garage that I was gonna bring the truck down to and work on it, but it's not worth it to bring it down here for a couple months. Literally a month, and then have to drag it out of here. So that's that. Take it back downstairs here. Here is the other room. When I put the egress window in, I had to put some drainage in. So that's the drainage I did. And then washer and dryer. So used to be my office area down here. So, alright. Let me get you guys set up here so you can see what the heck I'm doing. I'm not even sure where it's shining to. I think you guys can see me. So, right here is the new element. The guy warned me, he goes, whatever you do, do not break it. If you break it, we do not cover it. So, put a little more light on here. Now, can you guys see me? I don't know if you can see me or not. We'll try it. So here's the old element. Here's the new element. New element, old element. I said, wow, there's a complete difference here, buddy. He goes, this is the efficient one, this is the most inefficient. So he said, whatever you do, do not drop this. If you drop it, we cannot replace it. You know, it comes with an adapter and instructions, which he pretty much just showed me how to do this. I said, don't worry about the instructions. I said, sounds good to me. So this part here goes into here. Then this gets tightened down. got screwed over here. So I'm just going to literally tighten this down now. So now I have this, which is the same as this. So we're going to go ahead and put this in place. And we're not going to break it. We are not going to break it. Just keep saying that to yourself. All right, I'm going to set you down here. I don't want to break this. I have too much bad luck in my life as it is. Don't need any more. Okay. So let me get some light over here for you guys. It's already 11 o'clock, man. Where did my day go? Put a screw in there. Come on. Son of a bitch. There we go. That's better. Okay, now next thing, I gotta go get the adapter. Adapter. Now we got adapter. We'll put adapter onto said part. And then we'll take said adapter and put it into the old okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the bottom cover on so you guys can see what this unit is actually experiencing for an issue. Here, flip that on. Okay, so first thing that happens, I got the thermostat cranked upstairs. First thing that happens is blower kicks on. Second thing, you'll see that heating element should start glowing bright red in a second here. There it is, nice and bright. And then next should be some gas. Should be some gas. There we go. And then it'll probably work for a couple seconds. And there it goes. It's cutting out. So that's a telltale sign of a flame sensor. And my carbon monoxide detector's finally starting to work again. So next thing we're going to do is unplug the flame sensor. Unscrew the flame sensor. I'm not gonna complain. This furnace has been pretty damn good to me. It's like 15 years old now, I think. Yeah, it's about 15 years old. And I only had like one problem with it ever, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, they said that you can take some steel wool, you can steel wool the thing, get whatever crud is on it. It said steel wool, emery cloth, not sandpaper. Do not use sandpaper, they said. Alright, so we got that. So now we'll try putting this back in just for giggles. See if it'll actually work. I know what I should have done. I gotta set you down for a second again. Sorry, guys. Oops, dropped my phone. Good thing it's one of those indestructible phones. Which that's a whole nother story because they're not indestructible. So I broke one. So, damn it. Grr. Now I got twisting that wire that shouldn't have twisted it, but so we'll just do this. Take back out, get ready to twist, and put it back in the hole. Alright, so let's give it a try again. And I'm just going to hold it down so that it actually gives it a ground. Let me get my light here. Alright, so we got the heater element working. And then we got flame going. Flame dies. So, good thing I didn't just try that trick and say good enough. So I now know it's a bad flame sensor. So, here's my new flame sensor. All nicely wrapped up. Do I have a razor blade? I think I have a razor blade over here. I do. Yay. New heating element, new flame sensor as they call it. So let's go ahead and put that back in. Oh, that's interesting. And just kick back on. That's kind of funny. Plug this new flame sensor in. Put it down the hole. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Flashlight died. Flashlight's back to life. What the hell's going on with my flashlight? Nah, I think it turned off because of me. I think it lost ground. So let me go ahead and get a screw in here. Set you guys down here for one more second. Alright, so there we go. My flame is still going. Let me show you. You can clearly see the flames going. That's a freaking phone. Alright, you can see I got a new flame sensor in there. And everything seems to be working. Heating elements working nice. And everything. So, I'm going to put a new filter in. That'll be nice to the new owner. Put a new filter in here. Nah, man. Crash, bang, boom. Try it again. Alright. And then, what I'm also going to do, to be very nice to the new owner, flame sensor part number 0130F. One, two, 3 zeros. 1 0. Flame sensor. So, that's that, guys. Got that all fixed up. How you like that? Saved myself a service call and everything. Ugh. So, that we'll just tuck back up here. And then, let's see, what else do I got? I got some garbage over here. Let's put it in my pocket for now. So, geez, almost dropped you guys. So hopefully that gives you guys a little bit of working knowledge as to how you fix a broken furnace. So, and this was a Goodman furnace. So, alright guys, well, that's kind of my life right now. Just fixing everything, make sure everything works. So, hopefully we get this place sold soon. So, alrighty guys, until next time. Catch you later.